Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you a simple fresh face makeup look for when you're tired and on the go. Also linked below is my website with live sessions, free tips, and a $10 ebook with secrets I don't share on my YouTube channel. So the first step is to apply some lip balm. I love this one. I'll link it down below because it smells like peppermint. It's super natural and it makes my lips so soft. Next, I like to use a really light concealer. This is Light Sand by Shape Tape. I'll link it down below. And I'm going to apply a heavy amount of this because I had dark eye circles this day. And if you guys want a more natural dark eye circle remedy, I will link it down below or up here. But for today, I'm definitely applying a nice amount of concealer. Now, since we're keeping it simple and not applying foundation, I'm going to apply the concealer to any spots or discoloration and blending that in with a beauty blender. Now, the secret to this is really taking the time to pat in the product instead of rubbing it. Now going in with a small tapered brush, I'm going to grab some of that concealer and use it around my brows just to clean it up. This gives the face a really simply clean look and it makes you look put together more than you realize. So I'm just going to apply that underneath my brows and a little bit above my eyes. Now, I like to let the concealer sit while I go in and darken up my brows. And by the way, everything else in this video will be drugstore, so super affordable yet works amazing. So I'll be using the NYX brow powder just to darken and define my brows. Now, for all my loyal subscribers, comment in the comment section below 2-minute mark so I can show you love, or let me know what your favorite go-to makeup product is. And always remember to brush out your brows and then blend in the concealer and touch up anything you missed. Now going in with one of my favorite drugstore powders. It is the Maybelline Fit Me in Ivory because I am super pale right now. So I'm just going to take a brush and mattify. Also, this will still give you a natural look while keeping the product on your face lasting longer. Then going in with the bronzer, I'm just using the Wet n Wild bronzer to touch up my forehead, my cheeks, a little bit on my neck, and that's it. So that's the no makeup look. Super simple, super easy, and fast. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll see you very soon for my new video. Mwah.